Weather in the eye of a hurricane is usually calm. Hurricanes can have a diameter of 600 to 800 kilometers. Hurricanes kill more people than any other type of storm. The eye of a hurricane can be anywhere from 3.2 kilometers in diameter to over 320 kilometers, but they are usually around 48 kilometers. The winds around the eye of a hurricane are usually the strongest. Hurricanes in the Pacific Ocean are known as typhoons. In the Indian Ocean, they are typically known as tropical cyclones. A huge hurricane can release energy equivalent to 10 atomic bombs per second. Hurricanes also produce mild tornadoes, which can last up to a few minutes. Many people die in hurricanes because of the rising seawater that enters the mainland, instantly killing people. It is believed that hurricanes have killed approximately 1.9 million people over the past 200 years. Hurricanes mostly occur from June to November, when seas are the warmest and most humid, forming conducive weather for the hurricanes to build up. Planet Jupiter has a hurricane that appears as a red dot in it, spinning since 300 years. This hurricane is bigger than the Earth itself. Stronger hurricanes can reach 40,000 to 50,000 feet up into the sky. A typical hurricane needs light upper-level winds, warm water which is at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and pre-existing conditions with thunderstorms to form. Hurricanes usually form in tropical areas of the world. Hurricanes develop over warm water and use it as an energy source. Hurricanes lose strength as they move over land. Coastal regions are most at danger from hurricanes. 90% of the deaths that occur during hurricanes is because of the floods created by this disaster. A hurricane that occurred in Bangladesh in 1970 took away the lives of 1 million people. This hurricane is supposedly the worst tornado in terms of loss of life. The winds in the hurricane can cause above 2 million trillion gallons of rains per day. The term hurricane is derived from Taino Native American word hurricane, which means the evil spirit of the wind. The first hurricane that caused people to fly in it occurred in 1943 during World War II. Hurricanes are first formed in a warm moisture atmosphere by swirling above tropical ocean water. Hurricanes are regions of low atmospheric pressure, also known as depression. The wind flow of hurricanes in the southern hemisphere is clockwise while the wind flow of hurricanes in the northern hemisphere is counterclockwise. The United States experience approximately 1,200 tornadoes annually. Common tornadoes have a speed of lower than 110 miles per hour, or 180 kilometers per hour. They span 250 feet, or 80 meters across. It may last for a few seconds, or up to 3 hours when it hits the ground. Tornadoes are formed when cold, humid air strikes hot, warm air. A tornado is also called a twister or cyclone. It is a rapid and violent pressure of air. Tornadoes can strike in an instant. Tornadoes are extremely dangerous. Tornadoes are detected with the use of the pulse Doppler radar. They may appear in different shapes and sizes. Tornadoes occurs around the world. They are often accompanied by thunderstorms. Tornadoes begin as thunderstorms called supercell storms. The safest places to hide during a tornado are basements, ground floor bathtubs, and under staircases. Tornadoes may happen any time of the year, but most tornadoes occur in the afternoon. Tornadoes can turn to white or blue while traveling in the body of water. In the northern hemisphere, tornadoes rotate counterclockwise. Lightning is a factor in the appearance of a tornado. In the United States, tornado season is from April to June. A tornado outbreak is the appearance of several twisters over an area, usually due to thunderstorms. The number of cyclones in an outbreak is between 6 to 10. This outbreak happens within the same day and can continue until the next morning. Changes in how the clouds move and the colors of the sky are good indicators that a tornado is occurring. The sky may turn a tint of green or blue. This is the result of sunlight reflecting from hailstones. The sky may also look extremely dark during the daytime right before tornadoes happen. While most people run away from different types of storms, storm chasers run near them. Storm chasers are people who analyze and predict weather patterns. They use different types of equipment to study and accurately pinpoint a weather disturbance. An estimated 16 million thunderstorms occur on Earth every year. At any given time, there are about 2,000 thunderstorms in progress. Thunderstorms can produce a damning straight-line winds, hail, heavy rain, deadly lightning, and tornadoes. In the United States alone, an estimated 1,000 thunderstorms occur each year. Of those 100,000 thunderstorms in the U.S., about 10 are classified as severe, producing either damaging winds or wind damage, large hail, and/or tornadoes. There are four main types of thunderstorms: single cell, multi-cell cluster, multi-cell line, squall line, and supercell. The average thunderstorm is 15 miles wide and lasts around 30 minutes. Lightning forms due to the collision of ice crystals and water droplets within clouds, creating positive and negative electric charges, which become separated by convective forces. A lightning bolt dispenses from the cloud when the charges become separated enough. Lightning kills an average of 26 people a year in the US and injures hundreds more. Some survivors suffer lifelong neurological damage. Other planets in our solar system also have lightning, including gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. There are also bright flashes and dust storms in Mars, which some scientists believe to be evidence of lightning.